everyone, in today's video we will fix the Frigidaire stove F16 error, oven, temp sensor, wiring and reset guide. The fix one, you can reset the stove. So turn off the stove from the circuit breaker or unplug it, then wait for 5 minutes, then turn the power back on and check if the F16 error disappear. Fix 2, check the oven temperature sensor. Disconnect power to the stove. Open the oven and locate the temperature sensor on the back wall inside the oven. Then remove the screw holding the sensor and pull the sensor slightly forward and inspect the connector. And then replace the sensor if damaged or faulty. The fix 3, you can check the control board. So step 1, you can remove the back control panel cover. Then inspect the electronic control board for burnt spots or damaged relay. And then at last step, you can replace the board if you see burn marks or if the oven keeps showing F16 after sensor replacement. Goodbye.